What we eat, meal prep, dish ideas, inspiration, ideas. Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Aldi's shopping haul. I am a part of the Aldi's Nerds group page on Facebook, so go ahead and join the group page on Facebook, Aldi Nerds, and I'll actually put it right here what it's called so you can search it on Facebook. And yeah, I'm going to Aldi's today to check out and see what kind of pumpkin flavors they have going on. I want to try like everything pumpkin this season, so I'm super excited. So stay tuned to see what I find at Aldi's and how much I pay for it. Also, guys, if you have not watched Pet Sematary, you need to watch Pet Sematary. Like, since September, the end of September, me and my boyfriend, we have been trying to watch scary movies and movies that we have not seen. I have never watched Pet Sematary. He's never watched Pet Sematary. He watched, I think, the original one. We got the remake of it last night from Redbox. And let me tell you, that is a creepy movie. Like, we've watched The Conjuring, we've watched The Vault, we've watched something else. What else did we watch? Oh, we watched It, and we watched Insidious. Insidious, I want to see Insidious 2, but I think we're going to end up watching Pet Sematary 2 before we watch Insidious 2. I don't know yet. It depends on what he brings home tonight from Redbox. So guys, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you get alerted when I drop videos. Pretty much every time I record, I'm doing dishes. So, anyway, this is Glenn's lunch for the next 2 days. He has some pasta with some Parmesan and garlic in it, and then he has like some spaghetti pasta with some mozzarella cheese on top and some pepper and parsley. And that is his lunch probably for tomorrow, with some jello on the side with some fruit in it. And then I send these with him. They're my honey oats with honey and some almond bark and some peanut butter, and that's how I make those little treats. And then he has some ravioli and some garlic pasta on the side for the day after tomorrow. So yes, this is his next 2 days lunch. Look how delicious the spaghetti looks! Baked spaghetti for dinner tonight. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you waiting for me to drop something on the floor? Okay, so I have a little side salad for Glenn's dinner tonight with his spaghetti. And then I have these for his lunch, or for him to grab for breakfast, whatever. And our decorations. This is my current fave scent. And then I like the warm fall leaves. So yep, my house is a disaster right now. I still got food to put up. Yep. What's the baby's doing? I gotta sweep and mop now. Yes, sweep and mop. Sweep and mop. Are you gonna sweep and mop, Misa? Okay. I have been eating a lot of oatmeal and apples. So, hopefully that helps me lose some weight. Okay, so this is my lunch. It's cucumber sandwiches. And they're kind of messy. Kind of messy. And I have cheese and lunch meat and cucumbers and pepper. This is just meal prep. Cucumbers, green peppers, tomatoes, all the accessories for this new recipe I'm trying, my chicken. I'm using chicken bacon ranch, and I'm using the Chicago steak seasoning that Glenn brought in for the previous video that you've seen us having steaks. And I put that on top with some bacon, real bacon bits. We got some broccoli, some tomatoes, cucumbers, and just all of the goods. Now this is a delicious dish. First time trying it, first time making it, and I didn't even go by a recipe. I just kind of went with, inspiration, and was like, okay, I'm going to try this, this, and this. So I bake my bacon. Like, oh my goodness, it will change your world if you've never baked bacon before. You need to put that sucker in the oven and bake it. It is the best bacon in the entire world, because I don't like fatty bacon, and I love bacon from the oven. And this is what our dish turned out looking like, and I just made some broccoli cheese because I had some leftover broccoli. So I made that, and yeah, this was a delicious dish, and I served it with extra ranch, because Glenn loves bacon ranch chicken, or chicken bacon ranch, and this is my version of a healthy version of it. So it was a pretty good dish, and we loved it, so I'll definitely be making this in the future. And I recommend, here's what I did. I baked my chicken, And then I put it in the skillet just a little bit with some extra seasoning. And that's what I always do. I always switch it from the oven to the skillet. So plenty of leftovers. And then here is mine. I gotta add some cheese to it. Oh, that's tonight's dinner. Look how delicious this turned out. I am making cookies. These is peanut butter cookies. My recipe is 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter. And I just put them into little balls and I decorate them with fall sprinkles. And I'm going to bake them. Here's my fall sprinkles. Some really cute little fall sprinkles. So let's bake these bad boys. I promise they taste better than they look. They did not turn out too good, but they taste delicious. And they're just regular peanut butter cookies. Super easy to make. 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and then topped it with sprinkles. So easy. And then, oh my goodness, we tried the new Little Caesars pizza that they had out. I do not like the thick sausages, but it's an okay pizza. This is Glenn's lunch. We're starting out with breakfast, some Froot Loops, and then some leftovers for dinner, and then some spaghetti salad, and some cheesecake bites with pumpkin seed granola on top. And my little dog's making a mad sound in the background. And then I put some water in there for him. It's that time of year, guys. We have some spooky brain jello tonight. This is raspberry jello, sugar-free, and some peaches. And that is my mold I got from Dollar Tree. Well, that did not turn out too well. Not at all. It's still going to be good, but it's not shaped like brains. Hey, miss. So earlier today we had Chinese for lunch. Glenn had to go to work on his day off. And for dinner tonight he's going to have a chef salad. I'm just trying to get rid of the lunch meat because I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow. So I want to get rid of all the lettuce and all of our vegetables and everything's going to get fresh. He's having a big chef salad tonight. It's got turkey, chicken, it's got carrots, it's got everything in it. And then some jello. And then I'm going to give him a slice of the pumpkin roll. And yeah, that is dinner tonight. Just trying to clean the refrigerator out. So here is our little snack table. I got some cookies here left over. I don't think anybody's been eating them. Glenn normally grabs them. I don't think he's grabbed any. Got some popcorn, kettle corn popcorn, apples. Have more apples over here. And then some pretzels. I'll put some of those in his lunch. Even though he's wanting to lose weight, I mean, he still needs something, you know. Anyway, this is what I've been eating a lot of lately. They're really cheap at Walmart. They're like 92 cents. And I get this. And like maybe for lunch or for dinner, like tonight for dinner, I'm having this. And it is really, really good. I recommend trying it if you've not tried it. Like I said, I get them at Walmart. They're cheaper. And here's the nutrition facts. If I can get this camera to focus. It's 250 calories for half a container. So that is pretty high in calories. So you're looking at 500 calories, which is actually, you know, kind of like dinner. Anyway, so yeah, it's not really good in calories. Like I said, half a container is like 250, so full container is 500 calories. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be getting these anymore, even though they're really good. And yep, that is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Once you take the plastic off, here is what the next layer looks like. And yeah, you just fill it with water, and here's the inside, what it looks like. Take a sauce packet out, and then you just fill the water to that line right there. It's really good, I'm telling you. It really helps when you're having like a Chinese food craving. Yep. Maybe healthier, just go to a Chinese restaurant, I don't know. As I have it in the microwave, I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is my October 1st tea collection. I love tea. And yeah, this caramel apple drink is so delicious. I got these at Big Lots, by the way. and the Sweet Harvest pumpkin. And here is our noodles in the microwave. Here's what it looks like when it's out of the microwave. I do let it sit for like 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, just to cool down and just to soak up all that seasoning I put in there. What are you girls doing? I make a lot of foil packs. I love foil packs. They're so easy and a delicious meal. So if you've not tried foil packs, try them. They will change your life, I promise. And as you can see, I have my broccoli, my cauliflower, my rice, my chicken. It's a well-balanced meal in a full pack. And easy to serve. Everybody gets a full pack. And any leftovers, always, of course, send them to Glenn to his work the next day. But yes, this is a very delicious meal, and I love my full packs so much. I am so happy that, I got introduced into the full packs. I think I found it on Pinterest, if I'm not pretty sure. And ever since I ran across full packs, that's all I've been making. And then I've been making this a lot lately. It is a cauliflower, broccoli, cheese, bacon bits, just kind of casserole. I just put it all in a baking dish, bake it, and it is so delicious. And I put a little bit of water. I'll put like a cup of water, and it comes out as like steamed vegetables. And of course, you top it with cheese and pepper and all the goods. So delicious. And I served it with my full packs this night. We really loved it, and it is, honestly, I will make vegetables, steam them, do them like this in the baking dish, put them in the refrigerator, and then we'll warm it up, add cheese, and it's a really good go-to snack during the day, or, to add to dinner the next night, or it's really good meal prep. So I recommend trying this as well. And we still haven't lost any weight, but we're still maintaining, and we've got to get that extra boost of losing weight because we're eating healthy now, but we've got to get the exercise down pat because, we've got the food down pat pretty well now. And I am cutting back on portions, so maybe that should help along the way of our weight loss journey. Hey guys, so I am out today. I am going to be oh, you can't see me, shade. Ooh, let me put some glasses on. Anyway, I want to take a moment to look at my eye makeup. I don't know if you can see it or not. Fall eye makeup. Oh, get these glasses on. Okay, so you cannot see me. Oh my goodness, this sun is horrible. Anywho, hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and I'm out and about today. Guess where I'm going? I am going to Aldi's, and they have so much pumpkin stuff. Like, I joined the Aldi's group page, and if you want sent to the Aldi's group page, comment below, and, well, let me see. I don't know how to do this because I don't have you all on Facebook. Search Aldi's Nerds group page and join it. And I'm a part of that group, and there's so many things that they post that they find at Aldi's, and the Aldi's, like, all the Aldi's are not the same. So with that being said, I am super excited to go to my Aldi's today and see all the pumpkin stuff that we should have that everybody else has. And I seen pumpkin hummus. I've never ate hummus, so I don't know if I'm going to like it. My Aldi's didn't really have a good pumpkin variety, but I have 2 other locations near me that I'm going to hit next and see how well they have a selection of pumpkin, because I love my pumpkin. But I did get Glenn this cheesecake for his birthday. It was like $9.99. I did find the pumpkin ice cream, but I found some Thai coconut dressing, and I wanted to try it out. I thought, I love coconut, so why not try it out? I did find some rice cauliflower, and I wanted to try it out as well. So I took my Thai coconut dressing and I soaked it, marinated my pork chops in it. I baked my pork chops, then I transferred them to a skillet just to brown them a little bit. And it was overall, it was different. The Thai coconut, you have to have the taste for it, the desired taste. But the rice cauliflower, I was going to say rice coconut, but the rice cauliflower, it was really good. Like, I am going to be buying bags and bags of that and storing it in the freezer because it's like $2 a bag. It's a decent price, very good, delicious. I did put the Thai coconut dressing on our salads. I personally liked it, but I didn't like a lot of toppings on my salad because the Thai coconut is very powerful. So Glenn did not like the dressing on his salad. He prefers just ranch, so I guess you have to have the desired taste for it. but I do like it on my salads. If I just have the spinach, and just very limited toppings. And this was tonight's dinner. I done the pork chops, thigh coconut pork chops with the riced cauliflower, and I had cucumbers on the side. Glenn had tomatoes on the side, and then my salad and his salad, and then he had a cup of Jello too. And it was a really good, well-balanced dinner that all came from Aldi's. So definitely recommend going to Aldi's if you have not shopped at Aldi's. I did get the pork chops from Aldi's as well. I am not used to buying meat at Aldi's, but I did buy the pork chops from Aldi's. They did have the bone in them, which I don't really prefer the bone, so I may try something different. But overall, the meat was good. It was definitely worth the $10 I paid for the packed pork chops. So I do recommend trying this recipe. Just getting that thigh coconut and drenching your pork chops in it. And I did serve our dinner that night with wine that I got from Olive Garden. That is actually the only kind of wine that I really like. I'm not much of a wine person, but this wine I love, and it came from Olive Garden. I think you can actually pick it up a little bit cheaper at Kroger's as well. And I think dinner was a success. Aldi's, thank you for making my dinner a success. So the next day, Glenn had leftovers for work, trying to get more fruit into his diet. He's not very happy with bananas, but I still send them to him. So I have the pumpkin pie and a pumpkin roll, ice cream going on here, and that was like a small little dessert. I did get these little dishes. They're small portions, so I'm working on portion control now, so we can still have, our sweets, but very limited and small portions. And then again, his salad for work. And I sent him with some Chef Boyardee and macaroni and cheese just to spice it up, because I did read somewhere that if you're on a diet, you spice it up, your metabolism works faster, so I'm trying that a little bit. And then this is one pot taco salad, and I did serve it with some potato skins I got from Dollar Tree, which was actually shocking pretty good. And this was I added chickpeas to my taco salad for the very first time, and I think I'll continue doing that because I really like the chickpeas in it. And Glenn didn't mind it too well either. And then I made a breakfast casserole that had spinach, turkey sausage, egg, and a little bit of cheese with lots of pepper. And I just sliced it up and I put it on a plate. And then I just put them in Ziploc bags. Glenn takes them to work and warms them up at work. Great breakfast idea. And as always, guys, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.